Number 216, if there are 51 pesos to a dollar, how many dollars are there in 867 pesos? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer before watching my solution. So the choices are 17, 13, 15, 19, and 21. Okay, so this is just a direct variation. Okay, so if there are 51 pesos to a dollar, so let's just write dollar and then pesos. 51 pesos for to a dollar. A dollar means $1. Okay? So the question, how many dollars are there in 867 pesos? So we're looking for the number of dollars, so I just put N. So this is direct variation because as the dollar increases, of course, the pesos will also increase. Okay? So let's solve this. We can use this form 1 is to 51 equals 1 is to 51 equals N is to 867. Or the other way, if we use fraction, 1 is to 51 over 1 is to 51 is 1 over 51 equals N is to 867 is 8 over or N over 867. And then just solve for N, we can cross multiply. So if we use fraction, just cross multiply. Cross multiply, so we have 51N is equal to 1 times 867, so it's still 867. And then divide both sides by 51. So therefore, we got N is equal to, just divide this manually. If we use this technique, so multiply the means, we have 51N equals, multiply the extremes, we have 1 times 867, so we get same answer. Divide both sides by 51. Okay? So therefore, I'll just show the solution, divide manually. So remember, in civil service exam, in college entrance test, in licensure examination for teachers, general education, calculator is not allowed. Okay, so we have, just divide manually, 867 divided by 51. 51 times 2, that is 100 plus. So therefore, this must be 1. So 1 times 51, we have 51. Subtract this. 6 minus 1 is 5. 8 minus 5, we have 3. Bring down 7. So 357 divided by 51, that is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. So there's no remainder. The answer is 17. So the answer is letter A. 17 dollars is equivalent to 867 pesos. So follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa, i-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.